up, guys? And today we're playing some New Kingdom New Land. We're on episode 3 now. Pretty good. And well, we've really just to review, we've gotten to a new land, which is pretty awesome. If I do say myself, we're gonna get a kingdom built. We're gonna get all this awesome stuff. If you guys like this video, subscribe and like it up. And well, without further ado, let's get in the video. So let's continue. We got on my archers, dude. Hey, this is a different person. Like last time it was a king, right? Yeah. Hey, giving us coins. Thank you. We got all the coins. We got all the coins. Ding dong dong. And here we go, guys. We're starting off new land. If you haven't seen what our last one is, you should please go check that out because that was a really good one. I hope our peasants over there are okay. They probably aren't. They're probably all dead. They died. They're all dead. None of them will live. Here, let's get another builder. Let's get another archer. Then we can all be hunky-dory. Let's go back here. Oh, my horse is tired. Stop being tired, you damn horse. Eat up. Thank you. Now, the reason why I'm going to be cutting down trees is because so I can get rabbits, because then the grass will expand, and as you can see, if these guys kill them, rabbits will give you coins, and that's a good way to get coins. So we're gonna do that. It's gonna be all good. And by the way, how did we crash our boat? I mean, are you guys literally that? Oh, I was steering, was I? Oh, that makes sense. You know, that makes a lot of sense. This is spooky scary, so let's just go back. And guys, I'm still sick but I'm recording for you guys, so I'm sorry if I cough. I'll probably have to cut a lot of this video because of me coughing, so if you see some weird cuts here and there, then you'll know why. Hey, I know you have a coin. Give me a coin. Give me the coin. Son of a gun, pocket it. How dare you? Rude. Straight rude. Let's bring our kingdom up to glorious heights. We shall be the best kingdom ever. I think they come from both sides on this. So come on. Hit the bunny. Oh, there you go. That's good, archer. Okay, we're not gonna break that tree because if I do, then this guy will leave, never come back. And I like that guy. That guy was nice to me. Ooh, a chest. Give me all those loots. Loot. Delicious. We're crossing the bridge now. Oh my god. That's a monster. Those things will kill you. I'm out of run. Don't do it. Don't do it to me. Here. You can do that. Let them leave you alone. Oh god. See, I told you they come from both ways. Oh no, it's not good. It's not a good. Horse, you're so tired. We had a bit of an incident, man, where a monster tried to go and eat me. Not good. Not good at all. All of a sudden I turned into like a Mario. Oh, I can't wait for it's daytime. Then these guys can go out and shoot some freaking rabbits because I'm running out of money. Running out of money. Our worker is sweating and he's not even doing it. It's nighttime. Oh. Blood moon. Prepare for the blood moon. Let's go to the nearest camp and get some soldiers. Wait, I forgot to give this guy a coin. Dude, would you like a coin? Here, have a coin. You need it. Good. Give me all the coins. We are going to die. Sadly. Come on. There has to be someone over here. Anyone? Well then. Hey trees. Hey. I just say hey trees, I said hey birds. Ooh, this will help us get to the Stone Age, I think. Yeah. Okay. We got to the Stone Age. Now. I still need to find a camp. Okay, we have that. Hey, we found a camp. Hey, peasants. Oh, enriching your clothes again. Run back, because I need more archers. It's Blood Moon time, boys. Let's go. Let's go. It's all bad. It's all bad. It's all bad. Hey, dear. I don't think those guys are going to make it back, sadly. Because, if it comes from this way, yeah, not going to be good at all. Give me a... beautiful. Do you guys have stuff? Oh, there we go, boys. That's what I'm talking about. Let's upgrade this one more time. Just in case. Okay. Okay, let's just calm down. We're gonna be okay. Nothing bad about Blood Moon. It's just a Blood Moon, that's all. We're gonna upgrade our camp one more time. Perfection. Boom. Now we need to upgrade it one more time. Okay, yeah, we're gonna need coins, so be prepared, men. Oh, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad. Oh, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not gonna upgrade that. Oh no. Come on, hurry back, guys. Oh god, they're coming. They're coming from this side. Here, have a coin. What are you doing standing up there? Get back inside. You're gonna die. Oh my god. Run inside, you idiot. Oh. You freaking idiot. Oh, don't go out there and get it. Get back in here. Now go out and get your hammer. Get your hammer. It's still there. Was that it for Blood Moon? Oh. I don't know why I was panicking. To be honest, I just panic way too much. Hey, trader dude, you want to give me some more coins? That'd be great. Oh, we build a beautiful kingdom. Thank you. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know why I said oh no. We need to expand this area more, obviously. Take out these 3 trees. Then we'll have like a gigantic kingdom. Because I need to expand my walls, but I also want to keep my rabbit production going. Because that's where basically all my coins are coming from. Thanks, bros. Give me all your coins. That's great. Thank you. Okay, build up this. Build up that. Beautiful. Okay. Cool. Wait, oh yeah, I did give him a coin, so he's gonna come back with more goodies for me. My horse is always so tired. Why? Why are you tired, horse? To be honest, I run on him like 24/7, so. Just taking a nice leisurely stroll through the woods. Ooh, hey peasants, you wanna get some more stuff? You wanna get some more protection for my city? Well, come here over here and I'll make sure you have protection. Yeah, you won't die. You'll be all good. Beautiful. Let's upgrade this wall. Get 2 more bows. Let's go over on this side and get the people who died over here. Cause why not? We need more people to defend. Our kingdom's growing like super fast now. That group of coins I got really helped. Should be okay this night to go this way. I said should be. I didn't say we will. Okay. A lot of deer, a lot of things, a lot of monsters. Why? Why monsters? Leave me alone. I don't want you. Stop it. Leave me alone. Oh god. Yeah, deer, kill him. Step on him. Oh god, they're still coming. You know, I don't want to deal with this. Coins. Oh, this is a very dangerous game. Once they have coins, they won't attack you. I think. Don't quote me on that, because I might be wrong. We should be good now. That guy's running forever. He's running fast. Look at him. He has more freaking run than my horse. Than my horse. Sorry. Hey, peasant dudes. Just come to my village and you're gonna have a good time, you know. We're gonna hang out. You're gonna be my archers. It's all gonna be good, you know. Hey, that guy back there should have loot for me. I love my loot. I just love it. Hey, deer. My kingdom's so full of nature and just amazingness. Thank you for the coins, my bros. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go over here. Thank you for the coins. Wait, those guys didn't get those. Uh-oh. No, they come from both ways, I think. No, why? Oh, they do. These guys are limping along. Here you go, guys. Try and get back today. Man, that's gonna suck. Here you go, peasant. I'm gonna need to go back and make like the most billions of bows. The more archers you have in this game, the more you're going to succeed in this game. Because archer is the only thing that's literally saving me. Like yes. Well, what's the word for it? Your Royal Highness? Yeah, my Royal Highness doesn't fight. He just sits there all cool. He doesn't give a care in the world. Let's upgrade this guy. And upgrade this. Perfect. Ooh, over here they should have more coins for me. Because they keep on, they basically like, they go over there, they respawn. Oh, look at all these coins! I love you so much. Ooh, give me all those coins. Hey, bros. Ew, new. I don't think we're ready to upgrade our kingdom yet. Just because I don't think so. Now you're gonna upgrade that. That's gonna be all good. Can upgrade that again if I wanted to, but I don't know if I want to. We should probably protect this area, you know? Like, oh, I won't do it because of that stupid tree? Really? Oh, you suck, game. You just suck. Hey, two of my bows got used. That's nice. Yeah, they're coming over here to attack. Kill him! Come on! You guys literally suck so much. There we go. There you go. Okay. Got my guys over there now. Come on, guys. Get more archers, more stuff, better things. Everything needs to be better. Give me all your coins. Okay. Let's upgrade this wall. So it's nice and strong. And upgrade this. So it's nice and strong. Because this side is still less defended. Because we want this outpost right there. Because it keeps on giving us coins. So. We've done a lot this episode, we know. Yeah, we've done like, we've got our kingdom rebuilt. It's all good. Everything's calm. We're not dead yet. You know, things are going better than I expected. See, I'm a good king. See, I give coins to peasants that enrich in their clothes so they can go fight in my village and probably die. Best king. We're probably going to end this off by me finishing this blood moon because it is raining. So you know what that means. Blood moon time, baby. But this is good. We're all peaceful. It's all calm. Nature's awesome. Okay. We got more archers in there. What do you guys have for me? 1 coin? You guys must have something. Oh, yes, you do. Build up this. Oh, fantastic. Perfect. Gotta make sure both sides are protected because this blood moon's probably gonna get hard. No, not that guy. Oh, Jesus, God, what's wrong with you guys? These guys are just bloodthirsty killers. They don't care. They'll kill all the rabbits that ever were. Perfect. Give me all your coins. Coins! I love coins. Oh. See, everything's calm. We're good. No one needs to die, right? Right? Oh wait, someone has to die? Okay. I'm really something, am I? More archers! Archers! What is up? No. Wait, can we get this? Oh, we just have enough to get this beautiful catapult to go kill everybody. Blood moon. Oh. Are we ready? Probably not. Oh god. Oh god, this is the weaker side. Oh, we're the best. We're literally the best thing ever. Oh, we're amazing. Good job to all you little dudes. And on that note, guys, we just finished up this night. Pretty awesome. Now, I'm gonna end off the video here, so hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Kingdom New Land. If you guys did, like, comment, and subscribe. And well, hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you guys later. Bye!